Hi! In the previous videos, we spoke about the several different systems that we have been using through the years to give support to our groups. And in the Project Alliance is not different. Together with our community, we have created a support system that combines the online and offline worlds. So you can maximize the results not only in the group in general, but each person in particular. Is the most complete system that we ever built since we are in network marketing in 15 years. When we started 15 years ago, there were not many people online. So online marketing was very simple because there was no competition, neither available tools. Social media platforms and YouTube didn't even existed, and Google and Yandex were just starting. But today, there are a lot of components that each entrepreneur that wants to have an online business needs to learn to configure and dominate. Capture pages, high quality video, autoresponders by email or SMS, marketing funnels, online shops and online sales, copywriting that works, and many other things are indispensable in our days. Then you need to learn how to generate contacts, how to advertise in Facebook, VKontakte, AdWords, Yandex, and many other options out there. All of this is very complicated to a new person in this industry, mainly if this person is not in a community and is isolated at home trying to learn alone. By not, we know what happens because we have seen thousands of people buying online training and later they can't implement because they don't have technical knowledge, by not being able to get answers to their questions for you, and mainly to be sure they are in the right path. Because we have the experience, both on the side of the student and the teacher, we decided to eliminate most of the complexity that exists in the online marketing. All these tools that you need to your online business are already set up for you. You don't need to worry because only with a few clicks you are ready to go. This way, instead of taking years like me to learn all the techniques, know what works and the ones that don't work, we created a duplicated system that in just a few clicks is ready for you to use and for free. On top of it, all the new business partners you bring also can use it for free. In our back office, we have all in video, explaining everything, how to do, and even we added a few extra bonus that you can use later and watch anytime you want. Online trainings, how to become an expert in network marketing, and many others are available for you. Also, we have our shops online that you can use and that are already configured to our products and services. You also have dozens of other marketing funnels that you can use to generate contacts. We even have a CRM system to manage contacts and register everything what the contacts do in the system, from the emails that they click, the pages that they see, and even you can take notes of what you already talk with them and any other notes you want. On top of this, you have our support Facebook and WhatsApp groups. And so, when you have any questions, you put them there and we, as members of our community, will help you very quickly. And this is our online world. We also have our live trainings, our offline and support system where you can participate together with us personally. When I started 15 years ago, if I didn't went to a live training, I am sure that I wouldn't get started. By going there and by talking with other people, brainstorming ideas and see the results that other people are getting with my own eyes made all the difference. Because when people go to these events, not only learn faster, we get more confident, shortening our learning time in many months, and get the necessary excitement to charge our batteries for the work ahead. We have several different types of events. Some are corporate in specific cities, others are national. And also we have the international events that are my favorites. Some of these events are only for our team and others are corporate. In fact, our team has been growing so much that many times the corporate events are the events of our team. For example, when we opened United Kingdom, the event was a corporate event together with our team, because all the people that were there in that event were from our team. More than 1,000 people went there. Then when we opened France, from the 1,000 people, there were about 900 from our team. And it's amazing because we can travel with friends, we can get inspired by the leaders, take pictures, and on top of that, we have a lot of fun. But at the same time, we learn all the strategies that are necessary in our business to have fast results. On top of this, the company pays us holidays twice a year, like the ones in the Caribbean islands that only from our group went more than 60 people, or these ones in Dominican Republic. It doesn't exist, nothing like making money from home, working with people you want, the way you want and when you want. And the best is that we are in an anti-crisis industry that rewards fairly the people that learn, apply and get results. So this is our system, unique in our industry, unique in any country and in your hands for free. Now in the next video, we will show you with who we do a strategic partnership with this system.